First topic today at Digital Cafe Pop In and Learn is photo restoration. So right now it's not listed under a product on the products list, but if you go into the blog and scroll down, it's going to be photo restoration. It's going to be on there and you click on that. And it has different samples out here and kind of somebody's experience, and you can click on these links. However, I like to make it easier for you to find. So on my website, robynfoss.com, under Forever, the first option is restoration and colorization. And I kind of give you all the info. So I kind of show you the damaged photo that was sent in, the restored photo in the middle, and then the colorized photo on the right. And you can click on it, make it bigger, and kind of get a look at that. So it's pretty impressive. So then in a minute, we'll go out here and we'll check out my Forever album of samples. This is a PDF handout of the process. Just view it. Let's just do this. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Okay, so just make it big and you can read the handout. So you see on the cover of the brochure, the before and the after makes huge difference. And you can submit the photo, either scan it yourself for free at home, and then the other option is send it in with digitization box, and then once it's in your Forever account, you can send it from there. The photo restoration cost is $89.99, and no matter how damaged the photo is, it's one flat rate. Photo colorization is $39.99. You get the two together, there is a slight discount, and it's $109.99. Go back to my website. So this flyer here says, here's how the process works. You can read through this flyer, kind of talks about the steps. So you would purchase the photo restoration services from our store, and then from there, at checkout, it's going to give you an email giving you instructions on how to upload the folder or the file, the scanned image, in approximately 2 to 5 business days. So that's super fast. You will get back your restored item, and it'll be uploaded to your Forever account, and the album will be entitled Forever Photo Restoration, and you'll receive an email notification. And the other option would be, again, to go through a Forever box. The second document, 2 ways to submit, kind of talks through the process. You can do it as an add-on in a Forever box. Your turnaround time is going to be much longer. It's going to be 6 to 8 weeks, depending on how busy the digitization center is. Whereas if you scan it in, it's 2 to 5 days. Go back. All right, so photo restoration, I made a quick button here that you can click, and then you would go add to cart. And then after you check out, you're going to get that email to submit the photo. And you can just see there the example before and after. If you scroll down a little further, you're going to see colorization. So you see a black and white photo on the left and the color photo on the right. And again, you would just add to order here, and it would take you out to Forever, and you can add to cart. And then this last one is both. They took this black and white photo and they made it, restored it, and colorized it, which is miraculous, really, the difference between the two photos. So let's go up and look at the samples. And these are not all my photos. Some other ambassadors have uploaded theirs to get done. So this is the black and white original. It got restored and colorized. Black and white original. Actually, that is the original, I believe. I should probably reverse those. Yeah, that's the fixed one. Okay, and that's the original, and that's the fixed. And that's a picture of a photo, and then the fixed. So there's lots of samples out here where the photos were corrected and colorized, and some were just corrected. I go out, we'll go down to some that were a little more, like this one's a really good example. So sometimes those really important photos. The context that I get a lot is somebody's having a wedding and they want a table to honor their grandparents, and the photo that they have got damaged over the years. And so they want to be able to have that photo on the table honoring those that have passed. And this would be a great way to get that photo fixed and able to enjoy. Okay, so that is the gist of that.